Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Neo Pad, and today I'll show you how we can insert SD card into this device. So to get started, you want to grab a SIM ejector similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip. Train that one at the end and it should work just as well. Once you have that, you can then pop out the tray, which is located on the left side of the device where the power button is, or I guess top, depending on how you're holding it. And it's basically in the middle, as you can see. Once you push the pin in, the tray will pop out and you can then pull it out, place your SD card on the tray, and then insert it back into your device. And that's it. Your SD card should start working right away with no additional steps needed. So let's see if we have any kind of notification about it. No notifications. Oh, maybe now. Yep, there we go. So new folder found. It's not really a notification about the SD card. It's finding content on it. So still, just to showcase this, I'm gonna go into storage if we have this somewhere visible quickly. There we go. And in here, you can see we have our SD card at the bottom. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.